Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a valve cover gasket. First, ensure your engine is cool to the touch. Gather all necessary tools, including a 10mm socket, a torque wrench, and your new valve cover gasket. Disconnect the negative terminal of your car's battery to prevent electrical issues. Carefully remove any engine covers or components that obstruct access to the valve cover. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Now, let's proceed with removing the old gasket. Begin by unplugging the ignition coils and removing their mounting bolts. Gently detach the PCV valve hose and any other vacuum lines connected to the valve cover. Using your 10mm socket, carefully loosen and remove all the valve cover bolts. Work in a crisscross pattern to prevent warping. Once all bolts are out, gently pry the valve cover free and lift it off the engine. With the old gasket removed, it's time for installation. Thoroughly clean both the cylinder head and valve cover mating surfaces. Use a non-abrasive cleaner to remove all oil residue and old gasket material. Apply a thin, even bead of RTV sealant at the specified corners, typically around the camshaft humps. Carefully place the new valve cover gasket into its groove on the valve cover, ensuring it sits perfectly flat and is not twisted. Now for the final assembly. Carefully lower the valve cover back onto the cylinder head. Reinstall all the valve cover bolts, hand tightening them first. Then, using your torque wrench, tighten them to the manufacturer's specification, typically around 7 foot-pounds in a crisscross pattern. Reconnect all hoses, ignition coils, and finally, the negative battery terminal. Start the engine and check for any leaks. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.